Well, the National Guard is currently helping to offer community COVID testing across Ottawa County.
So joining us to tell us more this morning, we have Christina Hueming with the Health Department. Thanks so much for joining us.
Well, thank you for having us on.
Well, let's first talk about this partnership with the National Guard.
So the Michigan National Guard has been working with the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services along with local health departments to do community-wide testing. So this is a vast amount of testing throughout the state that we're offering to people in our community at no charge.
And why was this so important for you to do? I mean, let's just talk about the importance of testing in general.
Well, COVID-19 testing is an important tool in helping public health officials and medical community to understand the scope of community-wide spread of COVID-19. So we can make data-informed decisions on how to best protect the people within our county and across the state. So we are asking that anyone that has COVID-like symptoms, or even if you don't have symptoms, or if you've been in close contact with someone who may have been infected, we ask that you please get tested and then also self-quarantine.
Christina, what have you seen across your county as far as the testing, and what kind of numbers are you seeing?
As of August 15, we have nearly 65,000 tests that we've conducted, and we have about a positivity rate of 4.2%. So that's still a little bit higher than the state average. That's a little over 3%. So we'd like to see that number come down. And when we can do more and more testing, that gives us a better idea of the community-wide spread and if we're making progress or if we're having more transmission of the disease.
And let's talk a little bit about personal responsibility. I know that was something that you really wanted to get across.
Yes, exactly. We can do all the testing and we can prepare and making sure that we have all the data and the protocols in place for the public health and medical professionals, but it really does come down to personal responsibility and making sure that each of us do our part to help slow the spread. And as we've all heard many, many times before, it's going to take that frequent washing of hands and making sure you cover your mouth and wear your face covering, and then also maintain that physical distance when you're out in public or when you're around anybody that is not within your household.
And so one more time too, Christina, where can everybody go? Is there a bunch of different places where people can go to get tested?
So this evening from 4 to 8, we're having a testing site at Fellowship Reformed Church in Hudsonville. And then Wednesday, there's a location in Holland from 3 to 7 at Longfellow School. And then Saturday at Holland Middle School from 8 to 12. So if you're looking for this information, check out our website at miottawa.org/coronavirus. And in the news updates, you can see a listing of the testing sites, or you can also access information on other testing facilities throughout the county.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time this morning.